this is my study space. I'm a big iPad and computer note taker, so I don't have a lot of space like for handwritten notes. But I love my standing desk. I highly recommend getting one of those if you're going to be a hybrid student. Just make sure you're not sitting down all the time. And then just some decor from undergrad and my little friend here. He's missing a thumb, but we love him. And that's it.
Hey guys, so welcome to my office. As you can see, I utilize as much natural light as I can. But as you can see, here's my desk. So I've got my laptop up here on the top shelf. That's for whenever I'm in Zoom classes with it just kind of up and so the camera can see me a little bit better. But during asynchronous time, it's usually down here with my iPad. Sometimes during asynchronous recorded lectures, I'll have it broadcasted up onto the TV. And then I'm just chilling here at my beanbag just to get a little bit of a different environment. But as you can see here, it's very open, it's very bright, it's very personalized with a lot of my just stuff, just to make me feel a little bit more in my environment.